Imagine a storm so powerful that it could drain the world's largest battery in just 10 minutes. A battery that's capable of powering an entire city is an incredible feat of engineering. But have you ever wondered what would happen if a massive storm hit it? This phenomenon occurs when a severe thunderstorm, with winds of over 100 miles per hour and lightning strikes that are strong enough to melt steel, reach a massive battery storage facility, causing a chain reaction of electrical discharges that can drain the entire battery in a matter of minutes. But that's not the strangest part. Scientists have discovered that this phenomenon is not unique to this particular battery, but can occur in any large-scale energy storage system. It's like a giant electrical capacitor, storing energy and waiting to unleash it in a massive surge of power. But what happens when the storm hits? The sheer force of the electrical discharge is equivalent to the power of a billion nuclear bombs going off simultaneously, a truly mind-boggling sight to behold. Scientists have been studying this phenomenon for decades, trying to understand the underlying physics and develop ways to mitigate the effects of such a disaster. They've discovered that the key to preventing such a disaster is to design the battery with a special system that can absorb the electrical discharge, like a shock absorber for the electrical grid. This system, known as a damping system, works by using a network of electrical resistors to slow down the electrical discharge, much like a shock absorber slows down the impact of a car crash. But what if the storm is too powerful, and the damping system is overwhelmed by the sheer force of the electrical discharge? In that case, the battery can actually become a source of energy for the storm, like a giant electrical generator powering the tempest. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of information. That's what a single molecule of a certain type of battery can do, storing and releasing energy with incredible efficiency. The science behind this phenomenon is mind-boggling. It's like a giant game of electrical tag, with the battery as the player and the storm as the opponent. But what about the safety concerns? Can we really trust a battery to handle the stresses of a severe storm? Scientists have been working tirelessly to develop new materials and designs that can withstand the rigors of a severe storm, and the results are promising. In fact, some batteries are now being designed with special safety features that can detect the onset of a storm and automatically shut down the battery to prevent any damage. It's like having a personal storm tracker for your battery, alerting you to potential problems before they become a disaster. But what about the environmental impact of such a disaster? Can we really afford to have a massive battery fail in the middle of a severe storm? The answer is a resounding no. The environmental consequences of such a disaster could be catastrophic, with the potential for widespread power outages and economic disruption. So what can we do to prevent such a disaster from happening? The solution lies in a combination of advanced technologies and good old-fashioned engineering, with a focus on designing batteries that can withstand the stresses of a severe storm. It's a complex problem, but one that can be solved with the right combination of science, technology, and engineering expertise. And the benefits of such a solution would be twofold. Not only would we prevent the disaster, but we would also create a more sustainable and efficient energy storage system for the future. The future of energy storage is bright, and it's up to us to make sure that we're prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. So the next time you hear about a severe storm, remember the importance of battery safety and the impact it can have on our environment. By working together, we can create a more sustainable and efficient energy storage system for the future and prevent disasters like the one we've been discussing. The world is full of mysteries and wonders, and the science behind battery safety is no exception. So if you're interested in learning more about this fascinating topic, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more engaging and informative content. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.